No.
36 on Foxtrot. One back.
November 83089 Birmingham Tower, runway 36, clear for takeoff.
8089, clear for takeoff, runway 36.
Number 6325 X-ray, where are you again?
Here, you see you're not taking a picture
Number 25 X-ray, runway 24 at Mike, taxi.
See how you're taking a picture and nothing?
November Golf Alpha.
No, you're not taking a picture or nothing. Hold it up like that. See
I
that?
have to stabilize it. You won't see anything but bumps.
Just do it, hold it like that, way up there.
Tower, citation 7 Tango Mike, hangar 27, taxi with a...
Hold it up there, don't get that much of the tower.
Number 7 Tango Mike, runway 24, Hotel 4, taxi via Hotel.
Hotel, and we'll hold short at Hotel 4 for 7 Tango Mike.
So you're getting inside again.
Not.
Right. Something like that. Runway hitting.
November 1 at Mike Alpha, cross runway 36, taxi to parking.
Cross 36 to parking, then I'll one back up.
November 089 contact departure.
Contact departure 089. Birmingham departure November 83089, 1300.
November 83089, the Birmingham departure, ready to contact. Maintain 6000, turn left on course, Olive Branch.
6000.